Hi guys, Vlad here. Today we'll be replacing iPhone XS battery and we will not be getting a battery replaced message. So, let's watch it. So, today I have iPhone XS. Yeah. So basically the thing is I sold this phone. The customer already paid for that. I didn't have the phone in stock. I ordered it from the supplier. A local Irish supplier from Dublin. Yeah, and as usual, this is not like first time. Yeah, phone comes, it looks okay, it has original display, we have true tone. Yeah, phone is good second-hand phone. Unfortunately, the battery life is crap. It's like 85%. Yeah, I don't want to sell phone in the store with 85% battery. They always come back after a while saying the phone doesn't last and things like that. Yeah, so we'll be fixing that now. It's kind of a bummer because well, you expect to receive a normal phone that you don't have to touch. If you buy a phone from the supplier, yeah, to resell to your customer, you expect don't work on it, don't spend extra time, don't spend extra money, because I cannot charge for a new battery. I already charge for a phone, and the customer expect good phone and not like phone that will be dying in 3 hours. Yeah, and unfortunately here, or I actually cannot speak about any other market. Yeah, but in Irish market it's kind of a considered okay to sell phone with 80% or above battery as a second hand. Yeah, so if it's less than 80, yeah, you have to change battery or before you sell it. But if it's like 81 or 80, yeah, it's okay to sell it. Yeah, these phones never last. Whoever sells them with 81, 82, 83, even 85, it's not good. 89, I would assume, yeah, you can get like half year, it will be decent. Yeah, but 80, 85, after like 2 or 3 months, it will be 80. Yeah, and the customer will have really bad troubles with the phone, with the life. And we'll be replacing battery, so we don't have a message on the screen about the battery. Yeah, I will guide you through this process and show you. It's not my first time doing it, but this time I will do that on camera. I took out the battery. This is original one. Yeah, this will be our replacement one. And now what we have to do? Take something sharp and slowly from the back side take off the sticker. Be careful, you have kind of only one chance. Yeah, you have only one flex and it's quite easy to break it. Now we have to roll that out. We have here one more layer of sticker. I think so. Let's do from this side, it's easier. So that's rolled out. You have to be careful about this bend here. I broke few flexes in the beginning here. Yeah, this is not really good spot. Anyhow, Apple does not make them replaceable. Yeah, just some smart people figured that out, how to replace them. Not me. I just following. I just following what other people did. Yeah. So basically, we take knife. So basically, this flex rolls over 2 times towards the battery itself. Yeah, once and twice, and it will be in the same positioning. Anyhow, positioning is not that important. If you can't even find the positioning, you can't kind of fit it. Yeah, I did that few times, not correct, and still was able to plug in battery. So what I will do, I will cut like this and like that. I will show you under microscope. So these are 2 nodes for a battery, and I will go under here and remove this solder there. Yeah, it's quite easy. but be careful to not poke the battery much, because we need that flex there. Yeah? One is out. Second is out. So that's it, I disassembled the flex. Yeah? We will leave the flex now aside. We take this battery and we do exact same things. So basically we do the same thing. We again cut it where we cut last battery. That's out. It's actually harder to cut the replacement battery. So now we straighten that up a bit. I will be using this as just to make it sturdy. Yeah, we'll take original flex and position the flex how it's supposed to sit. Yeah, like this. And now I have this device. Yeah, this is the tiny spot welder designed for the batteries, for big batteries, like bigger ones. Yeah, like a finger ones. And I will be using this on the low setting to make a contact with the battery flex. Yeah, this works very easy. You power that on. You have full charge, works on the battery. I will be using 2 dots here. As soon as I press the button, it starts to send signal. Yeah? And you just connect first one, connect second one, and you have that small, I will not be able to show you on camera that probably, but you have that small kind of a burn. Yeah? I'll make few of them. Actually, I will try to show you under microscope. Maybe we will see. So I connect one, connect second. As you see. Yeah. And that's it. Power that off. That's it. Our flex is soldered. Yeah? So it'll be quite sturdy as it's welded. Now we'll measure the voltage just in case. Yeah? So now I have here on the probes 3.7 volts. Yeah, but on the actual thing, yeah, I should have 0 because it's deactivated now. Yeah, I have 0.1. Yeah, so no voltage there. We will have to activate it, but we will do that later. Yeah, now I take the Kapton tape. We will bend that once as it was. Yeah, like this. I bend it once as it was. Now we add sticker. I don't have black one. This will do. It will be exactly the same assembled as it was before. Now I bend it once more. Yeah? And we have correct positioning. Yeah, cable is here. Now we take the same plastic element that was here. Yeah. And I will make sure it doesn't fall off by the Kapton tape. Yeah. I don't like these stickers, so I will straight away remove them. Maybe it doesn't look super great, but it will work just fine. Now, theoretically, if I insert that battery, it will not gonna work. Yeah, battery is not visible for a phone because there is no voltage at the connector. Yeah, so we will have to make voltage appear at the connector. For that, you take a standard power supply, yeah, plus and minus, and activate the battery directly here. Yeah, 2.4 amps pushing now. Supposed to be enough. And now we have 3.7 volts on the connector. So now phone will come on, but we still will have the 85% battery. Theoretically the cell is new, but the chip inside, yeah, is still 85%. For that we will be needing tool like this. We'll open the software on the computer and connect that device. Yeah, so that's it. Now we plug that in here. Yeah, as you see here, it's still 85%, 800 cycles of charge. Yeah, and I will go to a computer now. Yeah, so 85%, 848 cycles. Yeah, we'll press cycles to 0 and percentage to 100. Yeah, and we press right. And that was successful. It says 99, 0 cycles. We press read once more, and we have here 99% now. So that's it. Let's plug it into the phone. So we have last step left. Yeah, battery is already in, glued down, secured. So what I have to do, I have to power the phone on with a different battery. Yeah, with a different battery, so we see the message once on the screen. I'm gonna do that now. Oh, just now we got a message, yeah, with a little bit delay, but we got a message. So now we can disconnect the battery and plug in our one. And 100% capacity, as you can see. Same as 3U Tools shows. That's it. Phone is ready. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in next one.